I'll tell you, I think our program prepares students unbelievably well for a career in marketing. And I'll tell you how I've seen that. When you think about, career track, you can come right out of undergrad and go into a career track. And what we've seen, students very successfully go into marketing positions. And in fact, after a year, we've already seen students promoted within their organizations because they have this basis in marketing from a graduate standpoint, and that can help accelerate their career. But we've also seen in our successfully recruiting people that are early career professionals. They've started on a track, and in the day-to-day job, quite frequently, you may not be exposed to some of those leading trends or tools that we're finding in marketing. And so they want to get back into the classroom in order to maybe make a career shift or to gain that extra knowledge that will frankly make them more competitive within their organization. One of the things we've seen, and we built the program this way, we see students taking careers in retail and brand marketing. And they have taken jobs with organizations in the area as well as nationally. Walmart, Sam's Club, Home Depot, Colgate-Palmolive, Tyson. These are just some of the companies we see our students in. Seven Brew, locally here, and in digital and brand marketing roles. We see students working in client service and consulting with Accenture and Aramark and organizations like that, and agency work, Mars United, Saatchi & Saatchi X. And we've also seen students go into market research and consumer insights and working with clients in that realm. dunnhumby is a good example of that. They've hired a number of our students. So we're seeing a lot of success in those three areas for career tracking.